Hello everyone, once again welcome you all to your own channel Scorpio Class Hindi. This is a requested video. In today's video I have brought important topics of essay. Many of you may have question in their mind how to write essay, what points to be included and also what topic to prepare for your exam. So this video is going to be helpful because in this video I am going to clear all your doubts. The topics that I have selected is related to your chapters and are in your syllabus. So let's see. The very first is Vigyan, Vardhan or Abhishap. It means science, boon or a curse. Science is a boon or curse that you have to write. See, this is the format how you have to write your essay. Arth, Mahatva, Upyogita, Labh, Hani, Sujhav. This is just a pattern. If you can add more points, you can add by yourself. See, Arth means meaning, Mahatva importance, Upyogita usefulness or benefits, then Labh advantages, Hani limitations, then Sujhav means conclusion. See, whenever you write an essay, it should be in paragraph. You cannot complete the whole essay in one paragraph. Okay. See, in your exam, essay will come for 5 marks. So at least you have to write 3 sides of the paper. So when you add all the points in a proper order, it will give quality to your essay. Yes. So how you will start? Very first you have to give the introduction of whatever topic it is. Here it is Vigyan. So you have to give introduction of science, then how it is useful, how science has progressed, its advantages, then how it has improved our life, then you can say the drawbacks, its limitations, how it could harm us, how to use it so that we could get maximum benefit. Then you can give your opinion, you can suggest some points. Okay. Then next is भ्रष्टाचार एक समस्या. भ्रष्टाचार एक समस्या. भ्रष्टाचार means corruption a problem. So here अर्थ, then कैसे होता है, प्रभाव, मुख्य कारण, उपाय, कैसे हटाया जाए, सुझाव. In this order you write. Like first to give the introduction, what is corruption, then how it takes place, what are the negative impacts of corruption on people, and why do people indulge in corruption, why do people involve in corruption, then what are the main reasons of corruption, then what are the measures to stop corruption, how we can remove it from our country, and at last you could suggest some points that you want people to follow. Okay. Then next is pradushan. Pradushan means pollution. So here अर्थ, प्रकार, प्रभावित, उपाय, कर्तव्य, सुझाव. Meaning, types, then how it affects the people, then upay means what is the solution for that, kartavya duty, then sujhav conclusion. So after giving the introduction of pollution, you have to write how many types of pollution are there, then what are the main reasons of pollution, how people are affected by it, how it has spoiled people's life, then what are the measures to overcome this problem, what role an individual should play to control this problem, and it is not the duty of single person but everyone should contribute towards solving the problem of pollution. So like this you can add some points from your side as also. Then next is जनसंख्या वृद्धि. जनसंख्या वृद्धि means population growth. So here अर्थ, बढ़ाव, मुख्य कारण, नियंत्रण, बाधाएं, सुझाव. First you give introduction of population, like what it is, what is population, then how it is increasing day by day due to advancement in medicines. It has become easy to save people's life. Today we have good medicines. If given on time we could save life of many. Then due to organic food our health has become good, that indirectly increases lifespan. Then for poor people, children are asset. Asset means income. So poor people, they produce more and more children. So that is also a reason for increase in population growth. Then you can talk about how to control the increasing population. by spreading the awareness of having small family, happy family. One economist has said that children should be by choice and not by chance. You can write his name and say it. When you add this type of points, it will give a quality to your essay. So try to add some extra information in your essay. Then you can write what are the obstacles, problems that comes in the progress of our country due to increase in population. One such example is unemployment, and we have many such problems like that. Okay, so like this way you can conclude your essay. Then next is berozgari. Berozgari means unemployment. Here the format will be अर्थ, घटित, प्रभावित, मुख्य कारण, उपाय, सुझाव. Always you have to start with introduction, that is meaning. Okay, then why does unemployment occurs? What are the reason? What are the effects of unemployment on people, society and overall country? One of the main reason of unemployment is growing population. Then what measures we should take to remove unemployment? In that you can write one should have good education, we should support industrial sector, agricultural sector, and we should fulfill the dream of Gandhiji of self employment. What it means? It means to support cottage industries in villages. Okay, so like this you can add. Then next is paryathan. Paryathan means to explore. Here you have to give the introduction, that is meaning of paryathan, what is paryathan, then what are the places that we can explore, then what are the benefits of exploring new places. When you visit any new place, what you get to know from there. Okay, you can share your own experience also if you have. Then see, nowadays we also have YouTubers who visit different places of the country and also abroad, and we easily get to know information from them. They explore, the YouTubers, they explore, but we get the knowledge from them. No, we get gyan. And if you can afford to spend money, you can visit places, and if you don't have money, then what to do? Then also you can get knowledge by YouTube. Some give information about religious places like mosque, temples, gurudwara, church, etc., and some explore shopping malls, markets. Yes or no? So from these places we easily come to know about the lifestyle of people, their tradition, custom, rituals, and we also get to know about the business, that what business is there in which place. Okay, so there are many such things to explore in the world. It increases our knowledge, experience, and it helps to take better decision in future. So like this you can end your essay. Then mehengai. Next is mehengai. It means inflation. So here अर्थ, मुख्य कारण, प्रभाव, उपाय, सुझाव. As we know that we have to start with introduction, that is the meaning of inflation. Then why does inflation happen? Reason behind inflation like growing population, unemployment, crop failure, drought, flood, natural calamities, man-made wars, etc. So these are some of the reasons because of which inflation takes place. Then how inflation affects people, like rich become richer and richer, and poor become poorer and poorer. The ultimate sufferer is poor. They don't even get basic necessity of life, that is food, clothing and shelter. They have to die out of hunger. Some people, they choose wrong way, like becoming robber, doing theft, spreading corruption, etc. So it affects very badly. Then you can add that what is the solution to this problem, how you can remove inflation. Some steps you can write, like reducing growing population, using advanced technology for agriculture which will give good return. Then these are some steps that will help inflation to reduce to some extent. Completely you cannot eradicate it, to some extent it will help. Okay, so now The next one is Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav means forest festival. So here also you can first write about the trees, about the forest, that how it is. You can give small introduction of trees. Okay, trees are the beauty of land. We cannot imagine life without trees. It gives us oxygen, fresh air, cool breeze, which keeps our mind and body calm and relaxed. And where there are more trees, there is more rain. Then you can write, it also helps in our business. We have a rubber plant, sandalwood trees, and many medicinal herbs which provides good business. Then it is a tradition of some people, they do puja of tulsi, neem tree. Yes. Then you can write that nowadays trees are being cut down for industrial purpose, residential purpose, because of which many birds and animals are becoming homeless. On the other hand, we have tree lovers who are trying their best to save trees, like Lady Tikkamma. She has planted nearly 8,000 trees. Yes, she has planted nearly 8,000 trees, for which she has been awarded Padma Shri in 2019. So, like her, we have many people who have contributed their efforts towards motherland. So, it is the duty of each one of us to take care of our land. Like this, you can add points by your own side. Then next is मेरा कर्नाटक महान या फिर कर्नाटक का वैभव. Both means same. So here अर्थ, जनसंख्या, राजधानी, प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य, उद्योग धंधे, प्रसिद्ध स्थान, सुझाव. Mera Karnataka Mahan means beauty of Karnataka. Here you have to write about Karnataka. So first you have to give the meaning, that is introduction, that what is Karnataka. It is a state. Yes. Then after writing about Karnataka, that it is a state that where, and where is this state? It is in India. You can write like this. Then you can write the population of Karnataka, Jansankhya. What is the population of Karnataka? Then what language is spoken here? What is the capital of Karnataka? Why it is so famous? Because of its beauty. It looks like Mother Nature herself has decorated this place, and this place attracts tourists from all over the world. Many IT companies have been established here that have given employment to many people and also helped in overall growth of our country. Then we have many industries of steel, paper, iron. Then towards the west, now you are talking about Prakrutik Saundarya, okay, that is the beauty. Towards the west we have Arabian Sea. Then we have beautiful mountains that are spread from south to north. We call it as Western Ghats. Then we also have Sahyadris and Nilgiris that have steal the heart of everyone. Then you can write Karnataka is blessed with elixir of life, that is water. There are so many sources from where we get water, like Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Shivana Samudra, etc. So many dams are constructed and we can produce electricity from it. Then we also have historical places that talks about the story of Ramayana, Mahabharat. The architectural and interior beauty is just amazing. Then we have so many devotee poets, writers, and great people who took birth in this place and made their name worldwide. So Karnataka is blessed with everything, and we are proud to be born in this place. Actually, these points are taken from your chapter itself. Okay, so if you know your chapter Karnataka Sampada, you can add points from that chapter. It will enhance your essay. So like this you can end up this topic. Then next is इंटरनेट के फ़ायदे, इंटरनेट की उपयोगिता, इंटरनेट एक वरदान. ऑल आर सेम. इंटरनेट के फ़ायदे, इंटरनेट की उपयोगिता और इंटरनेट एक वरदान. इफ़ एनी वन topic comes, it means that you have to write about the advantages of internet, because here specifically it is mentioned that you have to write about internet ke fayde. Okay, so here you have to only write the plus points of internet. You should not write the limitations, because here it is asked to write fayde. नुकसान नहीं पूछा है, फायदा पूछा है. ओके, वरदान पूछा है, अभिशाप नहीं पूछा है. तो सिर्फ पॉजिटिव साइड्स लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट ओनली द पॉजिटिव साइड्स ऑफ इंटरनेट. इफ ओनली इंटरनेट इज आस्क्ड, देन बोथ यू हैव टू राइट that advantages and disadvantages, both you have to write. But when specifically if it is asked, then only that you have to write. So here you have to write अर्थ, महत्व, उपयोगिता, सरकारी नीतियाँ, लाभ, सुझाव. Means very first you have to talk about the internet, means the meaning, what it is, what is internet, then what role it is playing in people's life, how it has become so necessary in one's life, then why people cannot think their life without internet, how it has dominated people. Okay, then what benefits you get from internet, how it has made your life easy, what role it is playing in government decision, policies, rules. So these are the advantages that you have to write. Then you can give your own points. If you want to give your message to the people, that also you can write in the conclusion. देन कम्स इंटरनेट के हानि, इंटरनेट के दुष्परिणाम, इंटरनेट एक अभिशाप. हियर यू हैव टू राइट द नेगेटिव साइड ऑफ द इंटरनेट. हानि मीन्स हार्मफुलनेस, हानि, दुष्परिणाम, नेगेटिव साइड, अभिशाप, अ कर्स, इंटरनेट अ कर्स. सो यू हैव टू राइट द नेगेटिव साइड ऑफ इंटरनेट. सो अर्थ, हानि, समय की बर्बादी, कैसे रोके, सुझाव. After giving the introduction, you have to write that through internet we get lot of useful information and it has helped people in many ways, but along with advantages we also have drawbacks. Then what are the negative effects of internet that you can write, like piracy, banking fraud, hacking, etc. Then how people are wasting their precious time by sitting with net and taking useless information. Children are getting those information that they are not supposed to get. And not only children, but elders also are addicted towards net. So this is a major drawback. If we have something, we should know how to utilize it properly. One has to be alert using internet, and you can give your opinion regarding this. Okay, so like this way you can end up your essay. I hope I have provided a useful information in this video. See, I have collected the topic from your chapters which are in your syllabus, and these topics are repeated in the exam. Okay, so these topics are must for revision. Prepare it, and if you add all the points that I have discussed in this video, it will be helpful for you to score good marks. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel for more such video. Thank you. Till then, take care.